Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join your friend's private town in Heartopia. It's actually very easy. Before entering the game, just stay on the main screen and then just tap on this icon, this windmill icon right here. Just tap on it and then in here just simply enter your friend's town ID in the search box, and once you have entered the correct ID, you will be able to find and join their private town. And then another way is you can join the private town that's already listed in your recent or available town list on here. Just select the town you want to visit and then just tap join. And for the important things to remember, your friends need to set their town permissions correctly. Like the town access should be set to either friends or public, and if it's set to a more restricted options, you may need approval before you can enter. So make sure your friends' permission settings are configured properly, and you will be able to join their account without waiting for a confirmation request. And okay, that's it. That's how you can join a friend's private account in Heartopia. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.